Sorry. This hopeless, not interesting. Okay. This is Fiat 313 abortive. Yeah, this is so cool, but kind of looks like part 3 Nissan. This is Lajura Rally 037. So, this looks like the rally on sofa. This looks like rally, but kind of looks like rally. Yeah, he's so still mud. Still mud. It is so the mud looks like raising get absolute sword. So this is not interesting. That's my mom said. Not my mom's. It's just me. No mom, just me. So this car is probably interesting, cool speed ahead, and cool wheels, cool rims, and looks like 190/70s or 190/80. Yeah, this is 190/80. So this video I showed this make is called to these cars is the coolest. Looks like kissing. Yeah, kind of really is. This is the end the video. So if you joined the group, tick below to like and subscribe.